and Senior High School here at San Jose District Jail. He is also our ALS Senior High School Teacher Task Force President in the province of Antique. Sa akon nga class, dito sa San Jose District Jail, basta tanan gani ang mag-adto sa tunga, pati personnel sa opisina kagwa kay mga atik na sa lecture listen. Okay. Hindi ko na pagpalawigan, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to introduce to you our Master of Ceremony today, no other than Sir Kurt Morales.
Okay, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, may ako sa introductory mo. Anyway, before we start, I would like to say good afternoon and advance Merry Christmas. No? Our Christmas is really very merry since we will be conducting this kind of event. Alright! Anyway guys, okay ba kayong lahat dyan? Kita ko doon agi sa silid ka parto ka dyan yun. No? Diba ako lang bugtun. Oh, kamu tahu okay lang kamu dyan? Okay man, may mga judges kita rin dyan, no? Invited jurors or judges for these afternoons of air. So ladies and gentlemen, to start with, may I request everybody to rise for the prayer. Would you ever leave the held my door? I'm glad it came along. I dedicate this song to all the girls I loved before. Thank you! Lolo Hermie! Halipot-lipot, ano na yung carousel, ano yung si Lolo Hermie? Good vibrations getting loud. How could this be anything else? All I dream of is your eyes.
Face the audience, Mr. Jeffrey. Before you start approaching your wife, you have to dance first facing the audience. Okay? In the tune of Careless Whisper. Lights, camera, action! Okay, may record ako ng kanta nito no? Nung kumanta siya. Anong kakantahin mo ngayon, Audrey? Maybe this time. Oh, sige. Mr. Operator! Oo. Kailan mag-smile ka, ha? Okay, ready ka na? Lights. Camera. Uy, may mga video ka mo dyan, para si may remembrance no, sa birthday, lumapit ka doon. Baka maybe this time mag-birthday siya. Bukas na naman. Saglit! Okay lang ba? Wala ba? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this time we have the intermission number. Song number will be given by... Oh, wow! Okay, Mr. Operator, please play the music. With the opportunity to hold a celebration such as like this, today marks a special occasion, a heartfelt expression of gratitude from the parents for the precious gift of life bestowed upon the other. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, a resounding applause to Kayla Buell with her parents. Wow. Paulo Javier, Governor Province of Antique, Mayor Johnny Flores Bacungallo, Mayor of Patnongon, Mayor Margarito Luzon, Mayor of San Mateo, Engineer Patrick Imeno, Barangay Captain Jean of Sina, through Madam Victoria Signeres, Madam Victoria Signeres, Captain Catherine Kigay Lee, Barangay Captain of Semirara, Kagawad Rhea Marie Lee, at Kagawad Ernesto Solik, Kagawad ng Semirara, Ma'am Annalyn Ramirez, Barangay Treasurer of Semirara, Mayor PJ Untaran, Love and Art Schools, and Office Supplies Equipment Services. The sponsors of 21 Toga for the Senior High School and Mensa Domini Sisters. Hayan! Kakaloka! Mamimiss ko itong Senior High School grade 12. So this would be our very last day of giving together, in this kind of event. A welcome message from Kayla's mother. Ayan, ladies first.
Okay.
In purple. Sige. Alright. Lumapit kayo mga anak. Ang gaganda ninyo. Wow, parang here. Ang gaganda ng mga ladies na ito. Okay? May mga anak din akong babae. 3. Dahil may mga gown din sila. Ako sumusuot ng iba. Sayang naman kasi. Ang gaganda niyan. Yes. Sige. Pagandaan ng sayaw mga anak. 1, 2, 3! Bitawan mo ang balloon! Ayan, lumipad na sila! Okay, thank you so much! Marami naman po yung time natin. Alright. Be patient, no? Wait lang until this As won or lost, today has been a learning experience for all. Truthfully, everyone here is a winner. But if I may say so, I am the biggest winner of all, as I have stood the longest on this stage. Thank you all of your warm smiles, especially to our champions. Take home the victory, and congratulations to everyone until we meet again. My name is Kirk Moralios. Thank you. Wow! Lain man tanarian. Salamat sa mga nakakaon rin na urangid lang hagad. Ha? Abijan ako, ay sorry gid, durugid balik ka mo kabulot ng panghagad, balik ka mo kung mga pagkaon na nagabilin-bilin. So, kay Sir Jess, durugid na salamat sa kumain na kayo? Ready na? Okay, so good luck! Segundo Moscoso Memorial School, which is the main host school. Let us all lend our ears to the officer in charge of the school, none other than okay, kung ano man ang ginubura ko, so nakita rananda. Ang pinakabudlay lang kung LGBTQ father ka, ang magpanaw ko bla ay nag-a-arrange pa ba ikaw kay mong kiray? Sino dyan ba na nag-a-arrange ka ng kiray? Amin nagabayaw. Okay. Pwede balik ka ba dyan? na ang manok gani ginabongga, ginabalandra. Alright, so another intermission number will be coming from Kiddies Dancers. Ayan.
Is a symbol of love and commitment now to one another. And this means they're also willing to share their food with each other for the rest of their lives as husband and wife. And this also shows how devoted the couple is to care for each other and share both the good times and tough times. Ladies and gentlemen, I guess we have to bring them in. This is exactly a back-to-back celebration. We have the wedding and at the same time to welcome baby Aurora to the world of Christianity. And ladies and gentlemen, a big hand to the grand entrance of baby Aurora. Music, please.
May dyan pa, basig ka mo may nalipatan. Ano, may dyan pa? Ora, kita? Ha? Okay, sige. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming and thank you so much kabay pa napasadya ko ngayong oras. Bisang kadali lamang. Again, my name is Kurt Morayos. You can call me Teacher Kurty from San Pedro National High School, a senior high school teacher. And ano ganito po na karan? Thank you. So, smile ang anay while waiting for the main individuals, no? Later on. Sa balay pananda, no? Okay, sige. So, mga ninang papuko-puko anay, pasaga pa ka ng mga seat because later I'm going to request them to go to the back or to the very entrance, okay? So that we could start.
Put some music on the song, no. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you want to stay. I've been thinking of this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Lagi ka mo makita ng mga ex nyo, kita. Sige lang. So now, ladies and gentlemen, that it is also an honor.
Julie Grace Tonoka, Gabriel de la Cruz, Erica Alawi, Ilona Mandao, Lager Jean Hussein, we have Vanessa Santander, we have Gina Lasingera,
So, ladies and gentlemen, please raise your glass of wine. First, okay, happy birthday, me, the record. Everybody shout out loud. Happy birthday, Alia. Happy birthday, Alia. Next, happy birthday, Jaira. Happy birthday, Jaira. So this time, at the count of 3 all together, please drink this wine. 1, 2, and 3. Wow! So happy 18th birthday to the both of you. Okay, so please be recognized first. Rick Philip. Okay, so you may go after the face now. Thank you. Wait. So, okay, sige. Lord, stand up. Okay. Words all giving. And Genevieve! A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Baguio. So they have spoken already. This time, may I request all the bidders of IRA for the photo op, and later, of course, for Jaira's bidder. So please have your posts here for the photo opportunity. Thank you very much for this wonderful sound. Ayan, wala. Wala na naman siya. Sige, again, may I request Ninong Randy, Ninang Lorna, Ninang Lucille, Wesley, Swanee, the lead, Calvin, Janine, Gigi, Josie, Margot, Brenda, April, Rose, Elida, Dayan, Rose, Evelyn, Pinky, and Anna Marie. All I think of is your lies, all I long for is lies. And all this, something tells me that if that thing that I love you, and I don't know very much, but I need a day more than love. What's not is to be ours. It's all that it takes to make. You're on my mind every night, every day. Nabuhay sa simple ang dating, simple lang sa pag-ibig, naging gulo sa isip. Kailangan mong maging ganyan kung umiibig. Simpleng buhay ay kay ganda, mayroong ngiti, mayroong saya. Walang hindi magagawa, lalo na simple ka. Sama-sama magkaisa, kahit maging sino ka pa. Lahat ay inibat kay galing, ganyan ka lang sana. Sino yung nagpaplano sa mga baby gawain na ito? Ha? Just raise your shoes. Ha? Sino? Ay, katulad na ikaw mo.
Sino ba yung mas maunawain sa inyong dalawa? Madaling nakakaunawa? Sige nga? Ano ba? Sure na ba yan, Sir Roddy? Ayan, wow. So, meaning to say, ayan.
Balance kayong dalawa. Alright. So, sa mga katanungan, sana may napulot din kami, no? Na sa inyong mga sagot. So, ano pa ba yung mga katanungan na dapat yung sagutin?
Hindi ko alam.
Sino ka na?
Pinagato natin kung tagin na.
Alright, so anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to this newlywed couple. Thank you so much. Andito ba yung mga kaklase nyo nung college kayo, sir? Ma'am? Nandito sila? Nandito. Oh, yung mga ex nyo nandito. Wala? Okay, not invited? Okay, sige. Ganun lang talaga. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and loved ones, the newlywed extend their heartfelt gratitude to all of you to celebrate their new life as couple, no? Alright, ano tawagan na yung papang, mamang? Ga. Oh my God. Pangga palangga kita na. Right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Teacher Kirky. But let's first, again, recognize or acknowledge the presence of your relatives from Libertad. Saan mga kasama natin sa Libertad? Andito? Ay, marami sila. How about from Pandan? Meron ba from Pandan? Wala? I heard people from Pandan. From Manila, meron? From Manila! Okay, mama, welcome to our province. Okay, matagal na ba sila dito? Kahapon lang. Okay, sige. Kumusta ang travel kasi ba Baguio? Okay lang? Okay. Sana pagbalik nyo, okay na talaga yung panahon. Dear brother, message, of course, will be coming from the groom's mother. Ayan. San si Mami? Mami? Siguro mas maganda dito sila kung malapit sa inyo. What do you want? Okay, mas malapit sa kanila.
Mason, congratulations. Yes, congratulations.
Okay. Okay. Mga bata, nagyari pati mo magpunay mga Englishera, mga Englishero. I remember when I was a little baby girl, manahan ko lang, hey! Hi, Joe! Mga ganun lang. No? Wow! Hindi ako nag-bloom ka. To black bloom, ako pa wala rin na ganito siya. Stand up! And to witness the grand entrance of Angel May as she celebrates her 7th birthday today. A big round of applause!
Ay, magsilbi kong prosperity, no, sa buhay, mga kaya pa. Well, ready ka na? Dali, 50 na? I'm so ready. Teka, magsabihin mo muna nung gusto mong wish dahil dito kami lahat ngayon sa iyong karawan. Ay, walang ibig sabihin ng pagtitipo na attach.
Wish ko lang, no, na tawagan kita ka naman. Alam kita, tawagan ka lawin pa nga tabuhi, ka natin sa birthday, na mag-abot ka natin tanan, nang mag-uli kita sa ating panimanay na say, no, sa tagsa-tagsa.
So everybody, please raise your glass and say, Happy birthday, Gigi! Go!
Happy birthday, Gigi!
Okay, ready? At the count 3, you go through right away. 1, 2, 3. Ubus-ubus kid! Yeah! Go! Happy birthday! Disco! Thank you! More ba? More! Okay, bala na kayo. Hingit kayo.
Her unique way of trotting right in front of the birthday celebrant's chair, no? She will sing while she runs along her way to her. Hey, birthday niyo po. Okay, wow! Hi po kayo, ma'am. Yes, yan, ito na po. Anyway, lahat po kayo very welcome po sa aming probinsya, no? At natulala sila. Natulala sila. Ako magsalita sa mga birthday celebrant. Dito tayo, ma'am. Yes, na. Yes. Dapat sabi na. Talaga ng postor. Ang ganyan ng postor. Ako talaga ako. Saan si Ma'am Jet? Ma'am Jet, po ba? Sino? Doon, dito po kayo. Yan. Kayo po ang magtuturo sa akin para sumaya. Sumay po. Sige. Kung sino na dyan ay terasal na sumayaw. Halina po kayo from iba't ibang provinces, no? Halina kayo. Sige, sir. Yan. Sasayaw tayo. Dito kayo. Okay.
Naming mother, ha? Nung magkatapos-galing mo, rara-forma ka manang Gigi. Pinanglagin. Hindi pwede. Ready ka matisyo. Dulangi kami lang. Ikaw, dara?
Dan, bongga, yan pala ay nagsisimbolo ng, ano yan, bongga, no? Kabusilakan, light, no? Next, we have Kyla and Nudge Arsenio. Sakto ni? Sige. Kyla, where's Kyla? Ha? Wala si Kyla? Good luck ang bata, pinito mo dito ng balon. Ay, malapyaga. Nandiyan. Okay, wala. Sige lang. Next, we have Elijah Cordova. Elijah? Andito ba si Elijah? Okay. Elijah, dito ka na, dalit na. And then, bring your chocolate. Done.
So remember, guys, it's actually a very rare opportunity, no? Imagine 80 years old si Tatay Pusoy. Okay, pag si Tatay na nakaabot, ang sabi ko rin, ito sobra pa. Okay, manang ano gusto mo kailan maabutan? Wow, 100! Sa panahon na ladies and gentlemen, Ma'am, na-record ko ng Rapid General Hambal Cadino. Thank you for that. It really changed my life. Ako yung abrupt dyan, ma'am. I remember the time, ma'am, when you were a school registrar at ANS, no? You were the one who encouraged me to get married too. Hindi ko lang alam. I was a warrior in the Hinagyang before, and one time probably I was with my folks there, dancing like super bangla, and then you called me attention.
Hindi ka na ako pag-pwede na.
Okay, ma'am, damak, hindi na Alright, so before anything else, I would like to request everybody to please stand up for the prayer to the...
Welcome here for F-Train's Newlywed Celebration. Please, okay. So please you guys take out the married couple or newlywed couple are already ready for the grand entrance. For this wedding celebration, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. Let's all stand first in welcoming this new parents, ladies and gentlemen. Let's all welcome the parents of the groom, Jonathan Abada and Rizahina Abada. Where are Nanay and Tatay? Wow!
The choice of the decision we make must be done with much faith and love. My dear friends, Sigel and Chanel have approached these crossroads already with a lot of faith and a deeply nurtured friendship and love. Let us then offer our thanks to God for having led them together in this love.
Wow! Talapat ka na magindita. Hindi pag-awal ko talaga ito. Wow! Tapos magkita mo nag-spark tayo. Pasyagat tayo ng panangin. Wow! Kapalan! Ang kapal ng mukha! Okay, ikaw na naman. Pagkita na mo lang sa Facebook at chat na. Parang ba siya din-accept? Wow! Hindi siya. Wala ko na ginaccept, no?
Ayan. Also, Ninong Nikki Salazar. Ikaw naman, friend. Okay, go. On behalf of Ninong, nandito si Ninang. Ninang Rita Imelda Papin. Imelda Binder. Ayan. This time, let's all welcome the presence of the 7 candles. We have Evelyn Niconia. Okay. Naging yung mga camera ready na. Are they here? Mr. Foundation 2024 ikaw? Ayan. Ikaw na Little Miss Beautiful. Okay, ano na ba tiyagang mo ka dyan ikaw ang Miss Foundation Day 2024? Wow, happy. Ano na ba yung tuglo mo nga mensahe kay mom ninyo, mga moms ninyo? Kay kung buklit-tulit ka na wala ka mo rin dyan, ha? Tanan. So, may mensahe na ikaw kay mom mo? O, sige.
Background para makarelate yung mga bata. Ayan! Okay, the first one to light up the candle, ladies and gentlemen, we have Celine Azriela Vegafria. Okay, Celine, dali na, dito pa. Mag-birthday ka, diba? Bante mo dito. Okay, hit mo siya ng hanan. Happy birthday, John Rick! Nalagay. Oh! Ayan, dito mo ilagay sa Korea? O babalik nila? Ay, cake pala to.
To introduce to you the panel of judges. So please be recognized and stand up once I mention your name. Our first judge was Aline I. Cangdelisan 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Diane Rose Dragone. Ayan. Kinanglan din malantaw-lantaw hindi ko sa likod may mga audience kita. Okay, judge number 2 was Aline I. Cangtobias for year 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand to Jovian Joseco.
Na mga maestro, primo. Ano ba nanay mo, maestro ka? Pero ang ba tatay mo, mapuntaw? Mawag mahal tatay na. Okay, sige. Masunod ang talk natin.
Pakicheck lang kung nagising, ha? Pakicheck lang sa likod. Ang feel ko. Gabaligit! Ang bunday na talent. Sir, kaya natin yun.
sir. He would like to encourage everybody to also share their experiences. Sa sunod ng 20 years na sinuupan yan sa mga police women ba? Ano na na-enjoy ba niya madugdugan? Remember those days ng masinggol pa ka ba?
Kung gagit doon, ginawa na katikang-tikang, no? Ang mura kong kumbaga, pagkatanda sanay. Kung sanay ko, doon ka natural na lang, no? Okay. So, ang masunod, ang talent portion. Ayan. Titignan natin kung paano nila isi-share ang kanilang mga talents. But at the moment, let us again ask a favor from our visitors to give their messages, no, for today's event as well as for the PDLs. All right, so let us try. Let's have this man here from what town, ma'am?
Ang Royal Celeb. Red Horse, Royal, Red Horse, Sprite, dali lang. Red Horse, Yawa, ha? Basically ko Sprite, Red Horse, Sprite, Red Horse, Royal, dali lang, bulan ko na ha? Again, ang Sprite sa right, ang Royal sa left, ang Red Horse na left. Okay, lights, camera, Sprite, Red Horse, Sprite, Royal. Pagtika ka sa Red Horse.
The parents of the groom looking happy and proud. Please welcome the groom's parents, of course, must be present today. A round of applause to Mr. Oscar Escartide and Mom Erlinda Escartide. Likewise, the bride as well, the guardians of the bride.
Teka, parang wala ka ba yung buhay? Medyo kung di natin i-recognize ang person lahat. Okay, from the north to south, okay ba kayong lahat? Yes! Okay, so kasi we'll be listening to a lot of speakers.
Eating time will commence very soon. So everyone later, you can make your way on your seats and make yourself comfortable. But for now, may I request again everybody to stand up to begin our celebration with a wedding prayer to be led by Mom Maria Elena M. Arteza.
Oh! Sige, dali. Video. Mas maganda video kasi inom sila lahat. I-wide view mo gang. Naka-wide, naka-panic ka, ganyan o. Ganyanin mo mamaya o. Huwag yung lunok na biglaan ha, parang slow motion siya. Asa na yung sipit? Ayan. Oo. Yan kasi di yan nakakalasing. Nakakabangag lang yan. Okay, Pete, meron ka na ba dyan? Dito ka, anak! Dito ka! Ayan, dito ka, anak! Dito ka! Sige lang, ready! Mami! Ayan. Ito namin kahimbi. Dali lang para hindi ka mayawan. Sige na namin, kita natin kay Lola. Ay, hindi ka, okay? Okay. Very emotional. Sanda ng mga Lola, karia. Lolo, nag-chat? Sige, try mo na, Lola. Try mo lang, dali. Ay, hindi man to. Ako labang bamba ka na. Lola. Sige, Lola. Ay, ambal rin. You know, Lola, isang beses lang tayo mag-21-year-old, no? Ayaw talaga niya. Tita, ikaw na lang, mamita. Department of Education implements non-formal education programs through the ALS. Non-formal education is defined by UNESCO as education that is institutionalized, intentional, and planned by an education provider. The defining characteristic of non-formal education is that it is an addition, alternative, or a complement to formal education within the process of lifelong learning of individuals. It is often provided to guarantee the right of access to education for all.
Certificate is given to John Christopher P. Balagtas. Same certificate goes to Donnie S. Balagtas. Recognition for his exemplify of site performance during the work immersion. Children Metal Art Welding for the school year 2022-2023. A happy birthday song to our birthday celebrator today. Yeah, louder! Ready? Sige lang! Atuwa itong mga ganitong mga event para sa isang pamilya wherein bongga, nakaabot sila ng ganong edad, no? Sila yung mga kinakain nila mga healthy food, no? Hindi sila kumakain ng mga pato, ano pa, hindi sila kumakain ng mga rabbit, charga. Kain lang po kayo, ma'am. Nagsasalita lang ako ng ano. Okay, sige, let's sing. Instrumental ang gear. Instrumental. Kakasama kami hindi. Ayan. Ayan. Mami Talina, nag-prepare din po kami ng mga flashback, mga pictures later. A response message from Great Job Fidelity Newell PG V. Galdero. Let's give him a big round of applause. Sige, pa-picture-anay ka mo siya. May tissue ka rin, ma'am. Pa-picture-anay, ma'am. Dali, yan. Oh, may mali ako. Lord, sige lang. Oh, sige, ma'am. Smile. Smile ka. Smile kayo ba ito? Okay, sige. Okay na po. Okay, candidate number 1.
According to the following: either confidence, color coordination, fitness, style, audience impact, and masculinity are being judged. And later again, the judges will be picking three candidates who will top the 3 slots now, alright? Because of course, in a certain contest, there is a winner, there are losers of course, but even though they seem to be losers, but then because of their participation, everybody in this barangay is made happy, no? The very highlight of Barangay San Fernando's event, okay, which is the Simple Binabani 2023. Hey, thank you so much. -1. Next performer, -2. Try lang. Okay, bulbuloy ng dagit steps natin, di? At bulbuloy dagit. Yung kadali, kung ako ka naman saot ka, turat akong gahapo. Char! Di bongga, di? Ano ay hansulod ka dyan? Meron ka dyan, nabagawa talagang lumpat. Ang iba, basi karon mas lumpat latos tiyak, how?
Or I guess at the same time, you'll be giving a message. Hi, Dean! Okay, parang nawawala naman na. Okay, sige. So be ready yung mga treasures, ha? Those who will be offering the treasures, kindly go with the queue. Ayan. Okay. Wet look. Bongga.
Requested that they're going to dance on the floor rather than performing in front here on stage. It's quite dangerous for them because there are many. So just wait for a little while, and for the Jolas, calling the attention of the leader of each group, okay, to pick your number. So again, I know that everybody is very excited to watch the show, okay? Bilat-bilat ng alay, ha? Competing dancers, -1, performer number 1. Correct Nasty Crew, performers number 2. The Outlaw, you're the 3rd performer, and last but not the least, the Dos Grandes from Iloilo City. Ay, gusto mo? Dito ka na lang. Kasi no, mga message mo. Yan, alright. So, sabi nga, in general, boyfriend first before family. Magagalit si ma'am mo. Magagalit si ma'am. Sige. Alright. Mag-message ka siya, last message. Okay lang. Alright, thank you so much for the part 2. I'm so sorry. Good help naman daw siya. Okay, so this time from her, or I guess representative from her in-laws, no? Let us have Ma'am Merlinda Fadrigo. Ma'am Merlinda, it's your time to give the message to our Lola Nene, who is celebrating her very birthday today. Yes? Oh, I thought puro tayo karayaw at Tagalog. So this time, I'm gonna be using my English chart. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much. Nanay, let me ask you.
May pamilya kita, sir. Sa pandaya mo lang, Beckett, man.
May nagawa ko mag-tira. Nakajadya ka nila asawa, ilan taon natin.
Nawidya pa nga isa sininong Junjun mo. Binong! Beckett, man.
Okay, hindi na natin mga talentadong pulis. Mamaya yan. Mamaya yan, may pasabog ang mga kapulisan.
Actually, sir, ang ating mga pulisan na yung preparado naman ng mga talents na dancing, singing. Actually, nakita ko ito, may makakot pa manok.
Wow, kaya nakakatakot na maging host. Kabalan! Congratulations, din namin namin. It's so tanan. Amon na lang ng depende bang make-up pa na tapon ka. Kapag na ngayon na tapon ka mga eyeliner. Kaya na po bakit.
Okay, timer. Sino timer dyan? Timer nyo. Okay, sige ha. Kailangan matapos na iba na yan. Okay, ready, sir. Lights. Camera. Shoot. Ang iba na ito. Ang isin nila o. Ang isin nila nila o. Ayan ang tingin na. Isa sa'yo. Okay, ganyan. O, diba? Pag dalawa kayong magtapat, mag-iipin ng isa, kayo magkakagal ng isa. So later on, pag lahat na may force na yung santol, oo, lilipat niyo doon. Makikiri niyo yan, madadala niyo yan. Hindi, ilan kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anin kayo, gagawa kayo ng diskarte, paano siya ililipat. Pero yung isang kamay, nasa likod. Yung isang kamay, ito lang. Okay? Sige, magagawa pa rin ang reactions. Ako lang. Kapag iba yung nag-user mo, pagkikita. And okay, user. So, ang dyan, isa inuun nyo to sa pamamagitan ng inyong magbibig. Wait! Hindi. Ang bibigil kayo na punta. Hanggang makalima sa likod. Pero, i-arrange nyo na ito in a paramedical purely. Next game. Group yourselves into 5. So we're going to divide again this group into 3 with 5 members each. Ayan. Sige na. 5 members each. Bisan ba ikaw? Bisan ako. Sige ako.
Sige, it's okay.
Ikaw ba yung pressure ni mama mo? Gagawin ako na masitansya. Ikaw kaya mo
Ako wala ko sigurado kung ikaw ba na hindi ko kitaan. Natural di ako. Sige lang. Mati ko. Gano. Kung ako mo hindi ako kapal mong kakamayan. Ako yung hindi gagawin. Ako takot na. Baka ba nag-imo ka na? Pwede na mga girls makontrol na no? Ayan, sige. Smile eye! Hindi ko kinabawian, Jen! Good kasi may bad kasi din sila. Kasi daw kinaklasify na no, good na siya. O sige. Smile.
James Saraza. James Jared Saraza, the bearer of the secondary veil. And to lead the veil on the groom's right shoulder here is Mr. Dixie Mendoza and Miss Divina Nina Mendoza. Now the bearer of the wedding cord, Jezreel de la Cruz. And then the infinite nature of marriage and blessed Trinity will be served by Mr. Joel Bertolano and Mrs. Venus Bertolano. Okay, I guess Fred Maria after the slides is come back here at the very center so you could drink your wine ng Bongaintan and Bongintan. Okay, so all you need to do this time is the slides first again, then you're going to go back to your place here because you're going to get the plate here.
Kami nasawa ka? Medyo pasama tayo. Kaya yung start ko na para share kami na sa show. Ayan, ang mabiliin siya yung nagkakasama. Ayan, gusto naman daw. Darawan daw pasana. Ayan natin ng darawan. Agaw naman, sakay natin. Okay, go. Pasana na lang ako darawan.
Wow, ang tipo si Tito. Ang dami-dami naman Tito. Okay, next we have Mr. Albert Edupiques. Tito, yes. Yes, si Tito. Mr. Rainer Paul Theologo.
Mom Jonali Huayno, is she here? So think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 people should be with you, 9 girls. But because they are absent, you have to replace them to complete your wine. Okay, your shots, I mean. Jude Grace Tongkwa. Jude Grace Tongkwa. Is she? Wow, okay, so okay, si Pinsan. Next we have Marichen Magno. Marichen Magno. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are you married or are you married? Single? Single. How old are you, ma'am? Wow! Magkasigidad kayo. Ikaw na, kailan ka na? Also, we would like to welcome Ma'am Cristina Sumaira. You are, Humara, I'm so sorry. Sumaira, okay, Ma'am, white and black, you are very welcome. I'm so sorry. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan. Just correct me if I'm wrong. We also have members of 18 Candles, Kadina, Abigail Bertin. Oh, you are welcome. We also have Iris Joy Nicor. Okay, so God, please be on your seat. Wow, that's going to be a very gorgeous attire. We have also Lauri. Okay, Lauri, you will. Matawag din. Sabi ni Junjun kanina, di ba? Nag-love siya kasi pag smile mo lang, tumatawa din yung mga mata mo. Siyempre, yung mata niya, may bumanga rin. Ay, yung okay. So, ganda-ganda. Alright, okay ba kayo sa pinalabas nyo? Sumot yung gagawa nyo? Saan sa ganun pumunta-punta? Ha? Okay kayo? Alright. So, anyway, ano masasabi mo sa araw mo na to?
Hi, and to good night, Jade. Thank you so much. Miss Jade the Good Guy. To Miss Jana Diane Howard. To Miss Cristel Rose Pineda. To Miss Pearly Joy Mosquera. To Miss Ronan Feria. Okay, terus anay ko medyo mo. Wala titry ito anay dyan ha? Okay, ha? Fair fight lang. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to the men here. Single men, alright. As we count from 1 to 3. Help me, guys. Okay, 1, 2, go, and throw. Ayan. Ang makasalo, una nga mabusong. Ay, napigaling. Ay, pwede. Thank you. And then, how about you, sir? So, how's the feeling of invited shotters? Alright, so with the toast, with our debutante. Alright, so kindly prepare the following people who compose the 18 shots tonight with our debutante. So we have Liza, Kareel, Raven. Is it Raven or Raven? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan. Ay, diba sige, malumpok na karupay. You may make a wish before you blow your candle. Of judges. Our first judge is a resident of Valderrama, Antique, a graduate of Information Technology at University of Antique, working at the local government unit of Valderrama as personnel assistant. Also designated as local youth development officer or the LGU Valderrama, youth point person of Pamatanon kang Antique para sa Pagbago, Municipal President of Middle Voice Youth Federation Incorporation. Also a folk dancer since elementary until college. A dance sporter of modern standard category and first runner-up at the University of Antique, executive committee member of Panubasan Festival year 2017 until 2018, a choreographer, trainer, makeup artist. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Eric Ider Espia. I am very honored to be here in front of a lot of people, or all of the sea of faces, and this time all looking up to me. Okay, candidates, once karoon pa riya. Sige, happy si mother, si father, tana. Makutong tabi ang mga ang feeling kag group, kag baray. Ano feeling, pre, hindi kasago mo dyan?
Nalipay kita mo yung na nabotol natin.
Okay, kung magabuot mo gidri ang karoon buhay. Ang mga handong na riya. Ilan sa meron na botol? Ay, gusto. Ninong Blanco, where are you? Dear godparents, ayan, just give a hand once I call their names. Okay, let's have Ninang Lorna Magbanwa. A member of the dance troupe of the same university. Antique National School gold medalist in dance sports provincial level, and a member of Antique National School Dance Club during his high school years. A movement enthusiast and soon to becoming a movement educator, a freelance dance choreographer, dance and artist. A member of West Eagles West Visayas State University and recently graduated on his second degree, which is the Diploma in Physical Education, major in School for Physical Education of College of Gaspar University in 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Sir Raymond